my little tour of the Gwynllwg area, if you like, in the footsteps of Fred Hando, is just about to come to an end. I'm in the village of Peterstone, or Llanbedr Gwynllwg, as was its original name, and this is the famous Six Bells hostelry. The Six Bells, I've been told this morning, relates to the actual church of St Bride's just up the road, where there are 6 bells in the tower and they are still actively rung. In his little sojourn to this village, which I can only date from the late 1950s, Fred did mention that there was replete with street names in Welsh, etc. And that fits in with the census records through the last century, which showed a number of bilingual speakers here, although they were depleting by the decade. So in the trees behind me, I'm about to focus on the Church of St Peter, now a private residence. And as with St Bride's just up the road, a quite remarkable local landmark. So here we are, we'll just pan around to it in its grounds. This church is actually below sea level, and consequently no gravestones or memorials in its confines. So this is Peterstone, in this historic area of the Gwynllwg levels, so named after Saint Bridget, who came to this area from Ireland and is honoured to this day.